Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel again this week. We're not doing a shave test today. I'm just going to show you an example of before and after restoration. So this is the item in question. It's a Wilkinson sword Jubilee model. So you can see this is the before. You can see how dirty it is, and this is after the restoration work. Time is it? I've restored the front and the side, but the back, the back side and the back and the underneath the plate, as you can see, there's a little oak case, so that the back and this side have to be restored, but you can clearly see the difference before and after. It's the Jubilee 1935. So we open it up with this clasp, and then it's got the original instructions, and you've got the Jubilee model there. Now this is quite unusual. I'm just going to pop this down for now. There's two blades in the case, both in unopened, unused condition. The razor itself doesn't look like it's had that much use, and it's got an ingenious little device for for loading your blades. You undo this screw so the head can now rotate, and then you push this little knob in, and that will release the blade out of those two lugs there and there. He says, oh, there you go. And then you slide your strop through that gate, and then you strop the blade up and down, and then just to reseat the blade, you just push that lever in, and it pushes forward the jaw, and the blade just locks in position quite securely. Now I haven't touched this. I'll clean it up obviously, but it's untouched. So together with these unopened, unused blades, this is worthy of a museum piece by the time I finish with it. I was going to actually leave it in this condition, and because it's got the original patina, but it's just dirt, so it's not very hygienic. So when I finish the restoration, I'll put it onto my Etsy shop so somebody else can enjoy a nice little vintage razor. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later on this week. Bye for now.